Good day, ladies and gentlemen, my brothers and sisters. Travels family, it's all about Jesus. My name is Adaugo, Nwachukwu, formerly known as Adaugo. I'd like to talk about divine mercy and restoration. Divine mercy and restoration. These are two not only theological aspects of the church, but they are two beneficial things we need to have as Christians. Mercy, on the other hand, it's God's compassion and love towards us, even when we don't deserve it. We are alive to sleep and wake up, it's by the mercy of God. We're even alive to sin, it's also by the mercy of God. It is a cornerstone of our faith that shows that we are being loved unconditionally and given a fresh start, despite our mistakes, despite our trials, and everything we do. Before I proceed, I would like to ask a question. What are we living by? What are we holding on to? You're living by the mercy of God. We are holding on to the thread of mercy. No wonder in the book of Malachi chapter 7, verse 18 to 19 says, "Who is like God, who pardons the sin of his inheritance? You do not stay angry forever, but delight to show your mercy." The mercy of God is a source of hope, a source of joy, and it has given us a fresh start no matter what we did. Restoration, on the other hand, it's about bringing things back to its original state or repairing what has been broken. It's about being whole again, finding peace, and experiencing the fullness of joy that God intends for us. Before I proceed, I would love to ask a question. Are we not restored by the whispers of a living God? Yes, 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 yes. We are restored by the whispers of a living God. Divine restoration points to a future where God will make all things new, wiping away every tear and bringing eternal peace and joy. It's a promise that God will make all things possible and make us agents of restoration in a world in need of healing. Both mercy and restoration teaches us humility, reminds us of our dependence on God's grace, and fostering a community built on love and forgiveness. They are not merely theological concepts. They are experiences that shape our lives as Christians. They offer pathway to healing, renewal, and deeper understanding of God's love. By embracing mercy, we open ourselves to forgiveness and grace. Through restoration, we find strength to heal, rebuild, and live a life that reflects the transformative power of God. Together, they offer a message of hope, reminding us that no matter our past, we are worthy of God's love, and we are capable of experiencing a life full of joy, love, and grace. Thank you. Please, 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 please don't forget to like, share, and most importantly, vote for me. Please.